Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find evergreen topic ideas for your YouTube channel. Now, there have both pros and cons for evergreen content on YouTube. But if you are the person who are looking for evergreen topic idea or content idea, then this video is for you. You can watch this video. In this video, I will show you 7 places from where you can get evergreen content idea for your YouTube channel. Some for free and some for paid. Anyway guys, before showing these places, something I want to cover here. At first, some topics are not evergreen. Let's say if you want to cover on your YouTube channel some statistics, let's say COVID-19 statistics or any other type statistics, then these contents cannot be evergreen. And if you cover on your YouTube channel news, then newses are not evergreen in any way, right? And some reviews, as you can see, I have written here some reviews are not evergreen. Let's say you are reviewing one gadget of Apple, let's say iPhone 11. So when iPhone 13 are coming, then iPhone 11 is now not working on market, right? So some reviews are not also evergreen content. So these are the things. Now I will show you what are the evergreen content. See, here I have written FAQ. FAQs are generally evergreen content. How to type videos are generally evergreen content. List type videos, let's say top 10 list of most expensive car of the world, or top 10 list of most famous person of the world. These types of contents are evergreen content. And reviews, some reviews are evergreen and some reviews are not evergreen. That's why I have given here a star sign, guys. And tutorials are generally evergreen. Let's say how to create something, how to do something. This type of tutorials are really evergreen content, guys. I hope you get idea. Now I will show you the places from where you can get your evergreen content ideas. At first I will show you Google Trend. Google Trend is the place from where you can get real data of your topics. Let's say you want to create some videos about a topic like, let's say, Instagram. So just search here Instagram. So if you search here Instagram, then you will not get the evergreen content idea. But let me search Instagram at first. From here you have to select your targeted country. Let's say my targeted country is United States, so I'll search here United States. And from here in the web search you have to select YouTube search. As you can see, YouTube search, and here you can select any time frame. Let's say I will select here past 90 days, and here you will get some idea. But these are the trending idea, right? Because this website is about trend, right? The name of the website is Google Trend, so it will show you the trending things. But we want evergreen things. Now how we can get evergreen things? Let's say here I have shown you how to type videos are evergreen, right? So here you have to search like that. Let's say I will search here how to Instagram, and then now if I search, then you will get some evergreen content idea here. Let me reload here, guys. See, how to add caption to Instagram reels, how to unsync Instagram from Facebook, how to see your liked videos on Instagram, how to save music on Instagram, how to download Instagram videos on iPhone. So there have a lots of idea, and see, these content ideas are evergreen. If you click here, then you will get more content idea. So in this way, here you have to search let's say how to Instagram, then you have to search here FAQ Instagram, list Instagram. So this type of thing you have to search here, and then you will get a lot of evergreen topic idea from this Google Trends, and it's completely free. Just come here on this trends.google.com. Anyway guys, I'll give all the websites link in the description of this video that I will show you on this video. So this is the first tool that I want to cover you guys. And then the next feature is YouTube search. Let's say you want to create videos about Instagram, so just search here Instagram, and then here you will get a lot of content idea. And then if you space, see, there have more content idea. If you write here A, there have more content ideas. If you write here B, there have more content ideas, guys. So these are the things. In this way you can get a lots of content ideas. And why YouTube is showing you these ideas? Because these ideas are people searching, these things people searching, that's why they are showing you, right? So you will get these content ideas from here also, just for free, from the YouTube search bar. So these are the things. I hope you get ideas. See, you can get a lots of content ideas just by adding one alphabet here. I hope you get idea guys about this feature. Let's say I will create one video like Instagram create new account. See, this is on content, but before creating the content you have to search it here, and then make sure that you have installed the vidIQ extension on your YouTube. It's free version guys is enough. I think I have used their free version. As you can see, I'll give the URL of vidIQ in the description of this video also. Anyway guys, here as you can see, score, if the score is less than 60, then I think it's not a good idea to create video about this topic. You can create video still, but generally if the content score is less than 60, then generally I do not create videos about this content or about this topic. These are the things. Now let's say I will search here something more. Let's say Instagram creator studio. If I search here, then let's see what is the score here. See guys, the score of this title is 69, so more than 60, right? So now they are saying that the volume of this search is medium and competition is very low. That means if you see the score is greater than 60, then I think it's a good idea to create a content on this topic. So these are the things, and in this way from YouTube search bar you can get the YouTube content idea, and a lot of content ideas are evergreen from here. I hope you get idea. This is our second tool from where you can get your evergreen content idea. The third tool is your YouTube studio. See, if you go to your YouTube studio and then if you come to this comment section here, people will comment you and your audience will recommend you sometime to create videos. See, I have gotten one question here: Public Connect or APIX Drive. APIX Drive is one automation tool, and also Public Connect is one automation tool. So one person is asking that Public Connect or APIX Drive. So from here I can create one new video like Public Connect versus APIX Drive, right? And in this way I got a lot of question, and from this question section you can get idea about your content, and a lot of content can be evergreen content from here. See, here one person have asked why not Go Charlie. So I can create one comparison video with Go Charlie and this video that I have created. So these are the things. From the comment section of your YouTube video you can get great ideas about your YouTube content, and a lot of ideas can be evergreen. I hope you get idea guys. This is our third tool from where you can get evergreen content idea for your YouTube channel. The fourth tool I will cover here is SEMrush. I will give the URL of SEMrush in the description of this video. And see, they have one feature here. After login on this tool, you have to just come to this content marketing feature. As you can see here, content marketing, and then from here if I come to this topic research section, let me come to this topic research, and then here search your topic. Let's say our topic is Instagram, and here you have to select your targeted country. Now if I just click here get content ideas, then SEMrush will provide you a lot of content ideas. Just wait some time and then just see the magic, how much content ideas it generate for you. See guys, there have a lot of content ideas that SEMrush has generated for you. See, Instagram on the App Store, download Instagram video, photos, IGTV and Reels, and from here you can get a lot of content ideas about your topic. See, it has generated a lots of content ideas, and as you can see from here you can export the content idea. Just click here export topic to XLSX, and then all the content ideas will be exported. A lots of content ideas here are available. See, if you click here show more, then it will generate more content ideas for you. Just wait some time and then I'll show you. See guys, there have a lots of content ideas, and here you can get content ideas about how, what, is, can, why, are. So a lots of content ideas, a lots of questions, a lots of titles you can get here, and then you can generate content by using these content ideas. So the fourth tool was this SEMrush tool basically. I hope you get idea guys. And then the fifth tool that I want to show you, this vidIQ. I am a user of their free tool, but if you want to use their maximum potentiality, then I think you can get their paid plan. Anyways, after login on this tool, you have to come to this keyword section, and here you have to search the keyword. Let's say I will search here Instagram, and then let's see what it provides us. And here see they are giving one score for this keyword and it's less than 60, so it's not a good idea just by using this title on your YouTube video. Anyway guys, they will provide you related keywords. And see how to grow on Instagram. The overall score of this keyword is 61, that means more than 60. So it's a very good idea to create one video about this topic. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. If you click here, then you will get more analytics about this keyword. And if you upgrade to their paid plan, then you will get more ideas. See, there have 179 more related keyword ideas, and you will get more ideas, and then you can grow your YouTube channel by using this evergreen content ideas that you will get on this vidIQ. I will give the URL of this vidIQ in the description of this video. I hope you get idea. And then the next tool that I want to show you is simply this Quora. You have to come to this Quora and then you have to search your topic here. Let's say I'll search here Instagram, and here people are asking their question, right? So see here you can search Instagram, you can search topic hacking Instagram account FAQ. So let's say I will search here Instagram account FAQ, and then let's see what it provides us. Then here you will get a lot of related questions about Instagram. Let's say what is the quickest way to increase Instagram follower. So it can be one evergreen content idea, right? And see 467 people answered here. 1.2k followers have simply to this question. And then the next question is, how do I get more follower on Instagram? How do people earn money through Instagram? Can you see who views your Instagram? So you can use these questions to create your YouTube videos, right? If you come to this question section or answer section, then you will get lot more questions and lot more content ideas about your topic. I hope you get idea. Quora can be one great free tools or free source of your evergreen content idea, guys. See, there have lots of questions, lots of answers here. You can use this question and answer basically from here. I hope you get idea about this tool. Now the next tool that I want to show you guys, this Topic Mojo. As you can see here, I am on the dashboard of Topic Mojo, and here if you search any topic here, let's say your topic is camping. That means you want to create some videos or videos about camping. So you are finding the topic ideas about camping. So see, just log into this Topic Mojo. I will give the URL of this Topic Mojo in the description of this video, and then come to this question section, and then here search your keyword or seed keyword. Here select your target country, target language, and click here on this search button, and then it will provide you a lot of content ideas about your topic. And as you can see, about camping, it has generated 231 ideas or 231 questions. Now if I enter to this question, see guys, here are the things, and here they have generated 231 keyword, they have generated 199 question, and here you can see the search volume trend, and as you can see the questions from Reddit, questions from Quora, and then there have a lot of feature. And I have reviewed this Topic Mojo in this Passivern YouTube channel. I will give the URL of Topic Mojo in the I button of this video. You can watch the complete walkthrough of this Topic Mojo, and you can get a lot of content idea about your content from this tool, guys. I hope you get idea. Let me explore some more question from here. Let's say I'll enter to this Instagram, and then let me reload it. Let's say you want to explore the Quora answer. Just click here Quora, and then see a lots of answer about Quora is available here. So see, these are the things, guys, and there are the questions on Reddit, and here are the questions on Google. From Google they cannot extract questions, I think. So these are the questions. So you can use Topic Mojo also, and you can watch the video about Topic Mojo that I have given on the I button of this video. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea how you can get evergreen content idea, from which places you can get evergreen content idea. And as you can see here, you can find evergreen content idea from Google Trends, from YouTube search, from Answer the Public, or from Topic Mojo, from vidIQ, from YouTube comment section, from Quora, and the things that I have shown you. So these are the things that I want to cover, guys, in this video. If you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider subscribing this channel. And the websites that I have shown you in this tutorial, I'll give all the URLs in the description of this video. You can go to the description and just click on the URL if you want. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video.